So I've decided to make a spooky beat in order to commemorate my favorite month of the year, Spooktober. I actually have a Jason hat that I'm wearing right now in order to commemorate the spooky spirit. Now, without further ado, let's proceed with the video. So let me show you the kick and snare first.
Fat.
After that, I added whispers and like weird sound noises that I wanted to do. If I'm gonna do something spooky, it needs to have like a very ghost-ish type of thing on it. So that's what I did. I recorded myself doing all these noises. So that's basically me recording myself doing whispers, and then I added a lot of reverb and effects to it. That's basically it. Those two together, this is what we get. The next thing I did was I added a drone that I recorded using this synth right there. That's basically what I did. This is the drone from the synth that I made. So I just had a steady note and I was detuning it. Then I added a lot of reverb and delay to it. So let's check the sound of it. So very spooky on its own. So then I sidechained those to the kick, and this is what we got with the whispers. Next thing I added was a saw from that same synthesizer. So this is basically the sound that I got. So let's hear all of that together. Then I added a sample that I had from before when I was one day recording my synthesizer. So I basically warped it and panned it left and right and added a chorus to it to give it more stereo width. Then I added some strings doing some thrill right before the snare, and I would like add a utility to just add some volume automation right before every snare. So this is the sound on its own. So now if we hear all of that, and finally I added a guitar solo here on the middle. I don't know, it's not really a guitar, it's a synth with guitar amps, but I just thought it sounded kind of cool. Maybe I'm crazy, you guys can tell me in the comments. That's basically it, and I also had the idea to kind of record some vocals on top of it, but I'm not really a big fan of them. I'm gonna play them to you guys anyways. You guys can tell me in the comments if you like the voice or not. I just thought like a spooky voice on top of the beat would be pretty cool, but I'm not really a huge fan of it. But tell me guys what you think in the comments down below.
Ghosts, they're a reflection of ourselves. We all see the empty shelves, carrying around all of the dust, feeling my bones begin to rust.
You know, so the point was that like the voice and the guitar would like, you know, kind of interchange with each other. Interchange? Does that exist? I don't know. Well guys, that's pretty much it for today. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It makes a huge difference, and I'm also gonna reveal my secret oatmeal recipe once we reach 10,000 subscribers. So please consider subscribing if you want to be around for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you around.